She goes. There's Sugar getting it again?
Okay, we're done, because she's got water in her.
Did she?
Yeah, she can handle a lot. Look at her, she's to the side. She's like Coco, you know. Peeker, peeker. See? Come on, fetch it up. Fetch it up. Go. Come on. Come on.
Figure out figure. I'm coming. It looks like we're on a romantic walk right now in the middle of Kansas or Arkansas. Yeah. Hi, Yunzu. Still following it back. Sugar's done, I think, picking up the birds now. Alright, guys, are ready to go.